Well, a near total abortion ban dating back to 1864 will soon be off of the books in Arizona. Governor Katie Hobbs plans to sign a repeal of that law later today. The state Senate narrowly passed legislation 16-14 yesterday. 2 Republicans joined Democrats in their support. CBS News correspondent Janet Shamlian is in Phoenix with more. Hey there, Janet. So the governor signing off on this repeal, but the 1864 abortion ban is still temporarily going into effect. Explain to our viewers what's going on.
Hi, Lana. Yeah, it's complex. That's because the state Supreme Court ruling taking Arizona back to that near total abortion ban takes effect at the end of June, June 27th. The repeal that was passed yesterday by law cannot take effect until 90 days after the legislative session ends. The legislature here is still in session. So let's say they adjourned today. 90 days from today, that would take us to early August, right? So there is going to be a period of time where there will be a near total abortion ban here in Arizona, despite that repeal yesterday, Lana.
And Janet, though this part of the question has been resolved, it's still not fully resolved in Arizona. There's talk about a potential referendum in November, and you were there in the Capitol as the debate really got heated. Tell us more about how the two sides are sussing things out.
Yeah, there a lot of frustration, emotion, anger on both sides yesterday. I was here in the state capitol as they hashed it out. Democrats, one by one, standing up to talk about why they voted for this repeal. Republicans very, very angry that 2 fellow Republicans crossed the aisle, basically ensuring that this would pass. There was a lot of frustration. This went on much longer than it should have as they tried to play with some of the rules of the state Senate. Take a listen at how it went.
So why are we rushing this is my question. And I'm explaining my vote to let the voters know this is not the way we usually do things.
My beliefs are different from yours. I'm not afraid of the abortions that I had. I do not fear for my soul. They were the right decisions for me, and I don't have to follow your religion in this country.
Yeah, Republicans very frustrated. They say, the Republicans are saying that their next chapter in this is to take on the ballot initiative that appears will be on the November ballot, ensuring the constitutional right to the abortion. Advocates for that say they have the 500,000 signatures needed. Republicans say they will try to defeat that. It has become a hotbed political issue this year, Lana.
And is there any sense of how that November vote will potentially go then, Janet?
Well, everybody seems to agree on this, Lana. It is going to galvanize voters and bring people out to the polls who may not have voted, right? So they seem to have a lot of support for it, and it could have an impact on the presidential race.
All right, Janet Shamlian there for us in Phoenix. Thank you.